Hey, welcome to All About Stocks. This is Alan. I got an interesting one for y'all today. We're going to look at the economic calendar. So, we're going to start. Let me get rid of myself here. We will be starting here on Monday the 16th. And that's where we are here today, Monday the 16th. And on the gold index and S&P 500 index, which just came out at 12:30 a.m. That is these two. Now, they actually came out and they showed a bearish sign for the market. We are just going into a bear market. About a week ago, month ago, when they came out last time, uh, I think these come out once a month. Last time they did come out, they were right on the edge of bearish or um, bearish or bullish, right at 46, 48. Now we're for gold it's 47, I think, and for S&P it's 42, I believe. So what you have to look for today is the manufacturing index and also the long-term transactions. And you can see these right here if you want more information. Later on this week, we do have more sales, productions, retail. Powell does speak tomorrow, so that'll make the market a little jumpy today. Crude oil is going to continue to sell off, I believe, due to what's going on in Afghanistan over the weekend. And with Wednesday, a lot of housing, building permits, housing starts, crude oil again, and we got FOMC coming out again. They're just going to come out with their plan. They're going to tell us what's going on. And Thursday, manufacturing, unemployment, initial job claims. That's going to spook the market again. Hopefully it comes out with decent levels. Too high, probably going to jump the market again. Too low, it may jump the market. And just a nice mid-level would be great. And if you're buying oil right now with Afghanistan, I don't know. That's a hard one to play. But if you're new to the economics or the economic calendar, take a look at these. I do get all this from investing.com. They may have a little bit better way of showing it for you. I just put my own commentary in there. I take a little bit from them. But a lot of this does reflect on the US dollar. So I ran through this a little fast. That way, a lot of traders do know how to use this. Some of y'all do not. A lot of this is stuff you do need to read. So I ran through it real fast so you can pause, read, and take your time with it. And do take your time, smash the like button, subscribe, and if you have the time or you're interested in trading, sign up in the Robinhood down below or Webull, whichever one you prefer. And I do thank you for taking time to watch the video. Have a great day.